Alright, a few hours later I had to go out and do some things. Anyway, we're back and I have mounted the LCD controller panel in where the CRT controller used to be, and made up some little harness here. And this harness will go, or this particular plug will go onto the floppy controller and give us the reset function, and that one onto the LCD's controller, plugging in where that little board that had the menu functions used to be. So with any luck, when we plug it in, these little guys with their nice click will hopefully give us our menu functions, and the top one volume once I wire that in. And the other thing that I've got in this is the you can see it there, Jim Drew SX64 Super Reset, which allows you to change drives if you wire it into the drive, device ID, pads, and also to change your kernel ROM as well, all through using the reset button that is normally used for just purely the floppy reset. So it looks for how long you press the button for, and depending upon how long that is will depend on whether it changes the drive ID or the kernel ROM that's active at the time, or performs a system reset, or just the standard floppy reset. So good little device, and I really highly recommend it, and it's quite easy to install, as long as you're okay with a soldering iron and some smallish soldering when you get to the device ID pads on the controller card, floppy controller card. Anyway, let's get cracking and get this thing back together and test it all out.